Hi, I'm Willie with the Basement Kings. We're working in Tolar, Texas today on our newest project, and this basement is going to be a bunker. We're pretty excited about it is because this bunker is going to be poured concrete ceilings. We're going to change the way we normally do our pour. Our pour on this particular project is going to be poured with the slab first. Then we're going to come back and pour the walls, and then we're going to pour another layer on the slab, which will give us a feeling of like an Oreo cookie. If you remember an Oreo cookie, you have the white filling in between, well, the two layers. That is where it's going to allow our water to be able to travel through both of the slabs and run into our drain system. And in addition, we still have our proprietary drain system that runs around the edge. But in this area, water is flowing through, and we know that we're going to get a lot of water, and we want to make sure that under no circumstances this basement is ever able to flood. And the whole house is going to be sitting on top of it, where none of the basement's going to be accessible. It's going to be more like in the center of the home. And you usually don't see that many basements that are done that way. Usually there's an outer wall. So you want to make sure you get it right the first time. So we're excited about it. Come on in. We're going to go over and show it to you. Well, we're pouring a different angle of our basement, and you can see we're covering up our yellow cones, and you'll see the young man over there in the corner with a vibrator. Without that vibrator, we're going to get a lot of honeycomb. So we need to vibrate our concrete constantly to make sure that it's all hard and solid and there's no air pockets in it.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.